How to fix front camera not working on your Android phone. First of all, restart your phone. Hold the power button, tap restart and check the camera again. Then clear the camera app cache. Go to your settings, then apps, app management or manage apps. Depends on your phone model. Find camera, then tap on it. Tap on storage, then clear cache. Then check app permissions. Go to your settings again, then apps, again app or app management, then camera, and now permissions. And make sure camera permission is turned on. The next is open the camera app and switch to the front camera to test. If it still doesn't work, try another app like WhatsApp or Instagram to confirm, or any other app where the camera can be used. If the front camera still fails, update your phone's software. Go to your phone settings, then find software update option. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. If the problem continues, it's likely a hardware issue and you will need a repair service. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel to get more helpful tutorials.